If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today in this video, we are going to be getting our kitchen together with some new fall decor. We are working on the coffee bar first, as you can see. But before we get into all of this, let's go ahead on and make sure you turn on your tablet, iPhone, TV, whatever device you have that you want to watch me on and get some motivation, whether you're getting your home together with me right now or if you need motivation for later. So for those of you who are new here, my name is Tamika. I am a mom and a wife, and my family and I recently moved from Florida to North Carolina last year. We are continuing to discover our new city and finding more and more things to love about it. On this channel, you will find everything, including hauls, decor, clean with me, budgeting. This is basically a lifestyle channel, and for me, I can't just stick to one thing because my life is, I incorporate so many things in my life and I want to share it with you all without getting too deep and giving away, my husband's privacy or my son's privacy, meaning their areas or rooms in the home. So if that's something that you're interested in, please make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as the like button and the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. So I'm going to be using command strips throughout this video to hang up my things instead of putting nails and holes in the walls and the doors. I find it to be more appropriate, and it's easy for takedown and clean up as well, and I don't have to be patching up holes throughout the house. How I intertwine my garland so that they mesh together. I'm going to be using 2 of these pieces to put together on my at the top of my cabinets on this side of the kitchen. And right now you just see me trying to put up a fall piece. I want to test it first to see how it'll look. So I'm taking these pieces apart that I have these stems because I want to create my own garland, and I'm going to be showing you all how you can actually create a garland of your choice without spending money and breaking the bank. It's much easier, in my opinion, to buy several pieces at a discounted price and then put it together the way you want versus spending $100 or more on a big, nice, long piece of garland. And don't get me wrong, they're gorgeous and beautiful, but you can create what you want for your home to fit your color scheme, and that's what I'm doing. So now you see me just sticking those pieces in that I broke off of the stems to make them match the way I want them to match. So here's the other side, and I just wanted to give you a closer look. I love the way that pumpkin sits. I do have it on a stand that I got from Target in the $5 spot, and it kind of looks like it's just sitting in the patch of what is it, like a patch of bushes or in the meadow. I don't know how to explain it, but looking at it from this point, it really looks so pretty because you can't see the stand or anything like that, like a pumpkin patch. It literally looks like it's sitting in a pumpkin patch. And I love that about just being able to create your decor the way you want to create it. And so again, find what you like and put it together the way you want to put it together. I know y'all probably like, what is she doing? But this is my first time having a 3-tier tray, and I was trying to figure out how I can use it. So I wanted this particular tray here so that I could put some nice pieces on it, and then I can use it, of course, in other decor. But I'm really not sure how to decorate a 3-tier tray, so I'm trying. Work with me. If you have any ideas, please make sure you comment down below. I welcome all comments on what you use to decorate your 3-tier tray, but for right now, this is what I use because I really wasn't sure what to put in my 3-tier tray. Alright, I thank you so much for watching. This video has come to an end. I'm about to insert some still shots so that you all can see the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, bye.